Electric mobility is a different mindset. Electric cars are the future. People's perception of electric mobility is flawed. I am proof that you can go the distance in an i3. I have just achieved the 200,000 kilometer milestone in the i3. I'm only one of a handful of people in the world to have done that.
BMW i is about vision. A range of vehicles conceived and created with a strong emphasis on sustainability. Now, the brand new BMW i3S takes this vision even further. With its sporting exterior design, the i3S has a powerfully unique road presence with a performance to match, achieving an impressive 0 to 62 in just 6.9 seconds. The unique front bumper, including high-gloss black inlay, sits below the iconic kidney grille. The bottom accent and new horizontal LED indicators accentuate the width of the vehicle for a muscular look. Full LED headlights now come as standard. The sports-focused design is evident right across the vehicle, emphasized by the width and including lower sports suspension. A redesigned rear bumper with wide sculpted body colour inlay and high-gloss black surround adds to the lower, wider styling. The i3S's new Melbourne red colour option with contrasting high-gloss black wheel arches perfectly complement its striking looks. Opening the coach doors, we immediately appreciate the stunning sense of spaciousness. 4 interior worlds allow you to choose a style that reflects your own tastes. The use of natural fibres, including naturally tanned leather or climate-active wool, create an innovative interior experience. And the interior space is as versatile as it is attractive, with its generous storage capacity. The new BMW i3S puts outstanding technology at your fingertips with the latest ID.6 interface featuring BMW Live Tiles. Plan the most efficient journey, accounting for charge stations en route with BMW Professional Navigation System and 3D mapping now as standard. The wide range of BMW connected drive services allow you to stay connected to the world outside. The high-voltage battery can be charged from 0 to 80% in just 40 minutes at a quick-charging DC station. Home charging can be completed in under 10 hours using a 3-pin plug, or under 4 hours via the optional BMW i wallbox. Sitting in the driving seat, a 5.7-inch colour instrument display conveys all important information to the driver. The new Sport mode brings all the new features to the fore, delivering a dynamic throttle response and maximum performance. The time has come to see electric cars differently. The new BMW i3S, driving in a new space.
ihn nochmal hier von ganz nah machen. Ne? Das kommt gut aus. Lass laufen. Passiert gleich.